Today we're going to be using a non-acid wheel cleaner, mag wheel, by Liberty Supplies. We're going to be using a brush to get inside of the rims. This type of brush is going to be used for the ridges on the rims, so the outside of the rim. And we're going to use this for the tires. Make sure that you always have water supply when cleaning the rim as well. So before I detail any wheel, I like to do a quick pre-rinse with water. After that, we use the mag wheel. Alright, let's get to scrubbing. Want to make sure you get all the dirt from out the rim. And if you miss a few spots, it's alright. All you gotta do is spray it again and go right back over it. Always make sure you get the caliper. Never forget this part. This one stands out the most. You want to make sure that this wheel is properly sprayed down. So when I got done cleaning inside of the rims, I see that the chemical dried up, so you're going to have to just respray it. Last but not least, make sure you always get the tire as well. Alright, now we spray it all off. So this is the after of when detailing a wheel. Looks great.